so particular about God being his father to a point that it was the reason why he died. In fact, the claim they charged him with to kill him was not only because he said he would break down the temple, but because he said he is one with the Father. And it is in this verse that we realize that it was a spirit in the Son that was insisting on the Son that whether in sleep, in rain, or in the sunshine, there is one thing you must keep confessing, that God is your Father. And he said the same spirit that his Son had, that made him confess God as his Father to the point that that is what took him to the cross. He said, because you are his Son, when you are sick, the hope. Listen to me. I will first explain what fatherhood is. Then you understand where I've started from. That your hope, the Holy Ghost's voice in your heart, is that you should keep. If they reject you a visa, let that console you that God is your Father. The question is, who is Abba? Did not have this privilege to a point that even when